Now, almost nothing else has physically changed with this laptop. Still the same keyboard, there's no speaker grills, there's still MagSafe charging, 2 USB Type-C ports, the headphone jack, the notch at the top of the 60Hz LCD, the thin and light aluminum build. This is very much still the MacBook Air. If you want to get sweaty about it, as Dave 2D would say, I noticed the mute button icon is different, and the webcam is now a 12 megapixel center stage webcam, which can follow you around the frame if you leave it on, but I actually do turn it off every time. And also, I noticed on Apple's website, the battery capacity went up slightly from 52.6 watt hours to 53.8 watt hours this generation. So that's about 2% more capacity. The main reason this laptop is such a big deal is the chip, right? This M4 chip, it's really good. We already learned this from the M4 iPad Pro 9 months ago, and then again with the M4 Mac Mini 4 months ago. This chip in the laptop will be passively cooled, so no fans in the air, unlike the Mac Mini. So yeah, sustained performance ceiling is going to be a bit lower. But for the quick bursty stuff like normal computer activities, yeah, it's amazing, as expected. And then the specific benefit, in case you forgot, of the M4 over previous generations of Apple Silicon is going to be more AI-specific horsepower. This machine is capable of things that required a Pro chip like a couple of years ago. That's not an exaggeration. So when I tell you I could load up a bunch of 4K and 8K footage into a Final Cut Pro timeline, and it would scrub through the timeline with almost no hesitation at quarter res playback resolution, and then it could export the project just a few beats slower than a Mac Mini, that literally doesn't matter to 99% of MacBook Air buyers. But the chip is so powerful, it's capable of it, so it's just good to know that you could.